winter in the woods alone, against the trees I go. I mark a maple for my own and lay the maple low. At 4 o'clock I shoulder axe, and in the afterglow I link a line of shadowy tracks across the tinted snow. I see for nature no defeat in one tree's overthrow, or for myself in my retreat for yet another blow. I've brought with me tonight, or Mrs. Morrison has brought with me, 20, 30 copies of it to give. She's going to give you each one. Carry away in my handwriting. I wrote it this morning. I never know where I'll write or what I'll write. I remember once in Wilkesboro, where I never was but once in my life, Wilkesboro, Pennsylvania, stuck there, changing trains something. I had to go to a hotel, and I wrote one of my best poems right there in that hotel, standing on my head. There's a curious state of comes over you, that's all. But some people like to think it starts with a phrase or something. I think it starts with a mood.